Okay, this is gravity in action. Click on stage and they go up, slow down, come down again and stop. Up, slow down and come down again. Okay, they will stop and come down. Okay, that's gravity pulling them down, slow them down and pull them back. Gravity. All right, let's have a look at the code now. Okay. That's the code. Okay, not much. Have a look at the beginning. Okay, two variables, initial speed and delta y, the amount of y change. Okay, how much you change. And listener is a stage. The whole stage is listening to the click button, a click action event. Once it hears click, it will fire, means a fire up, goes up and comes down again. Once the fire handler is called, you will add a new frame event. The new frame event will make things move continuously. Okay, and that's the new frame event handler. Okay, once you added the listener, and you will reset the counter. Okay, what's the counter? Counter here is acting like a time. Just every frame you go through, you add one to it. Therefore, it's equivalent to time. Okay, every time you have a new frame, and you have a little bit time passed. Why do I use time or counter? Because the speed of the object is changing according to time. You throw up at a faster speed, and then will slow down. So the speed actually is a function of time. It changes with time. Now, how do I calculate the change of the y value? Delta y is the change for that frame. It relates to initial value, initial speed, okay, and also relates to where you are on the timeline, okay. If at the beginning you reduce less, as you move on, counter value goes up and you reduce more. That's why you reduce more and more. Eventually, it will stop. This one is big enough, which is equal to initial speed. That's when you stop at the top. Totally stop. The y change value is 0. You don't change anymore. And from there onwards, you come down. Okay. So you can see this value can be positive and can be negative. Okay. It's this one, right? Okay. So, and use that value to change the location, the y location of the y value of the objects. Okay. Now all the objects, 4 objects, are using the same change. You could make them randomized or different values because they can go at different speed. Okay. Now, so the y value will take away this amount, and that's the new value for that frame. And next frame, this one will change again, so then the delta y will be different. So every frame have a different delta y. That's why the position, the speed is changing. Okay. This part is to reset it. Okay. Once you've reached the bottom, I'll draw the line at 400. Once you reach the bottom line, I say, all right, no more movements. Remove the listener. So therefore, the new frame event listener is not working anymore, and everything stays still until you click again and add the listener, start moving again. Once you reach the bottom, yeah, you come back. Okay, stop. That's how it works. Let's have a look at the action again. Up. Okay, I could do this. Yeah, I can double click to make them up and go back again. Okay, I could do that. But you can stop this one as well using an extra Boolean function. Say, you can click only if, okay, the event listener will only work because if these objects are on ground. Yeah, so you set the on ground Boolean, yes or no, or true or false. So this will not work if they are not on ground, and if they are on ground, then you work. Okay, so use that. You can reduce remove this double click action. Okay,